Do you want to know how you can log into your Payroll City account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Payroll City account. Go ahead and open your browser and go to the search bar to search for Payroll City Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the official page of Payroll City. You can see login option on the top right hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. The next step is to write down your username or email address on the first box. After you write down your username or email address, go to the second box and write down your password. Make sure you check your password by clicking on this eye icon before you click login. So, first step is to write down the name or email address, the second step is to write down the password, and the third step is to click login. This way you can successfully log into your Payroll City account. If you have forgotten your password or username, these are the two links you want to follow through to recover your account once again. If you want to register to a new employee account, go ahead and click on this link. So guys, that's it for today. This is how you log into your Payroll City account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.